Hi students, welcome to our maths class, and today in class 12 we are going to discuss the remaining question of exercise 2.2, that is last exercise, and then we see some questions from miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so let us see question number exercise 2.2, question number 12. Up to 12 we have to complete it. Now starting question number 30. Okay, question exercise 2.2, question number 30. So in this question, first we write the question: tan 1 by 2, tan 1 by 2, okay, sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square, cos inverse of 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Find the values of each of the following, okay, where mod x is less than 1, y is greater than 0, xy is less than 1. So we have to solve this particular question, okay. So you know very well this is tan 1 by 2, and if you know this is nothing but 2 tan inverse x. We have to discuss in the properties of inverse trigonometric function. Sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square is nothing but 2 tan inverse x, and this is nothing but 2 tan inverse y. Okay, if you want you can see on the page number 44 on NCERT. 2 tan inverse x is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, and 2 tan inverse x is cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. This is the formula. Okay, so this we can write like this, and this is nothing but tan 1 by 2, and 2 is common. So this is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 to cancel. So tan of, and use the formula here, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is nothing but tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So this is tan inverse this thing, so simply it is x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Since tan inverse x is x, okay. So this is the solution for this particular question. So please note it down. Okay, I hope you completed. Now next one, question number 14. Question number 14. This is also a most important question. Question number 14. Sine of sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. This is the question. If you simply see by inspection method, this is nothing but cos inverse 1 by 5, because sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse 1 by 5, this is pi by 2, and then sin pi by 2, this is nothing but 1. But we need to solve this question. So step to solve this question is sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x. This is nothing but sin inverse of 1. This sign is transfer on that side. This becomes sin inverse 1. Now this implies sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x. This is nothing but pi by 2, because sin inverse 1 is nothing but pi by 2. So this implies cos inverse x. This is pi by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 by 5. Okay, so this becomes cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 5. And now comparing on both sides, we will have x is equal to 1 by 5. So this is the solution of this question. Okay. So please note it down. Okay. Okay, I hope you completed this one also. Now question number 15. This is most important. So many times it asked in board. So question number 15. This is a inverse trigonometric equation actually. That's why this is most important question. Okay. So see question number 15. If tan inverse of x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 upon x plus 2, this is equal to pi by 4. Okay, then find the value of x. Then we have to find the value of x. Okay, so see the solution. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So use the formula x plus y, that means x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x minus plus 2 divided by 1 minus xy, x minus 1 upon x minus 2 and x plus 1 upon x plus 2. Okay, so this is the formula we use here. Okay, and this is nothing but pi by 4. Okay, clear? So now this tan is transferred on that side. We will have x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus 2 x plus 1 upon x plus 2, and this is nothing but tan pi by 4. Okay, and afterwards this is nothing but x minus 2 x plus 2 LCM. So this is x minus 2 x plus 2. Okay, so this is LCM. Now x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 and plus of x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 and the whole divided by 1 minus x square minus 1 divided by x square minus 4, and this is nothing but 1. Okay, so please note it down, and then after we find next step. Okay, whenever you note the question, you pause the video and note it down. Okay, so now I am going to erase this one, and then we have this is x square minus x plus 2x minus 2. So x is, we just multiplied x square plus 2x minus x, this is x, and minus 2 plus of x square minus 2x plus x. So x square minus x minus of 2. Okay, and then this whole is cancelled out actually. Okay, but first you calculate it and then cancel. Divided by x square minus 4 and whole divided by x square minus 4 minus of x square minus 1, the whole divided by x square minus 4, and this is equals to 1. Okay, so next step I am going to erase it. Now next is, this is cancelled out, and this is 2x square, x cancel, and minus 2 minus 4 whole divided by x square cancelled out, and this is minus 4 plus 1, so minus 3, this is equals to 1. Okay, see, yes, minus 4 minus plus, so this is, so 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so 2x square is equal to 1. So x square is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. So this is the answer for that question, question number 15. So please note it down and match the answer. Okay. Okay, you may completed this one also. And now question number 16 to 18, this is new instruction. So from question number 16 to 18, see the instruction. Find the values of each of the expression in 16 to 18. So 16 sin inverse sine 2 pi by 3. This is same as the principal value branch, so please try to complete it. And now I am just going to solve question number 20. Okay, sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus, this is also the same as the principal branch value. Okay, so please try to complete the whole question because these are so simple questions. Now we will see some examples on from the miscellaneous, some question from miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so see miscellaneous exercise, first, second, these are the simple. We just see question number 9. Prove that from miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Exercise C, question number 9 first, because this is the important one, and also last questions are the same as the previous questions. So please try to solve, and whatever doubt you can see from the PDF which I send tomorrow maybe. Okay, for inverse trigonometric function. So see question number 9. Tan inverse root x. Tan inverse of root x is nothing but 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x, cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay, this is the question. Question number 9. Prove that. Okay, for proving this particular question, first we modify the question. We write it like 2 tan inverse root x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. If you write like this, then this is easy. And now we take LHS one, 2 tan inverse root x, and this is nothing but 2 tan inverse x, and you know the formula for 2 tan inverse x is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So we write it as cos inverse 1 minus root x whole square 1 plus root x square, and this is nothing but 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay, so this is the solution for this question. Question number 9 from miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so please try note it down, and then after we see next question. Okay. Okay, so I hope you completed this one also. Now, next one is question number 10. question number 10. Cot inverse of root 1 plus sin x, okay, plus root of 1 minus sin x and divided by root of 1 plus sin x minus of root of 1 minus sin x. Okay, this is the question. Is equals to x by 2. We need to show this one. This equals to x by 2. Okay. So in this question, if we explain you, if you write half angle, suppose first we explain here root of 1 plus sin x. You know very well what we can write it. This is nothing but cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, and this sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. You know very well this one, okay? And if you write, this is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square within square root. So simply it is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, okay? If you write this like this, then 1 minus sin x, this is nothing but cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, okay? Or sin x by 2 minus cos x, whatever you want, okay? So if we write like this, then this question reduces, that means LHS reduces, LHS part, if we see LHS, we just erase it, then this is LHS. So cot inverse of, we can write is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, this we can write, and cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, this one we can write it. Okay, so simple. Similarly on downside also, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. And if we expand it, this is cot inverse of sin x by 2 cancelled out, 2 cos x by 2 and divided by, if we expand this minus, this is sin x by 2 positive, this is negative. So this sin x by 2 is remain here, but cos x by 2 is cancelled out. So this is 2 sin x by 2. 2 cancelled out. This is cot inverse cot x by 2, and this is simply x by 2, both are HS. This is the simple method. If you can, okay? Instead of this, if you want, you can rationalize it. This is maybe tough, but rationalize it and you get also answer, okay? So please note it down. This is the simple way to do this question. Again, I explain you, if you want, you can write this one as a cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. And sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This is nothing but cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. And within square root, because of square root, this becomes simply cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, which I explained already you. Okay, so please try to complete it. Okay. And afterward, if some questions are remained, we will see in next lecture if needed. Otherwise, I will send the PDF and you can do it yourself. Okay. So I hope you completed this one also. So please try to solve these questions which remains. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And stay safe, stay home. This is the pandemic time, so whatever from our side we can do for you, but what is your responsibility you can do also. And please try to make copies and solve the questions. This is the time to, you have to be more and more effective study at home if you want, because self-study is the very helpful for you. If you are doing so, then obviously you will get the good marks in board. So thank you very much.